Hello, welcome to Easy Eatery. My name is Angela, and oh my gosh, you guys know already, I am a gadget freak, right? Like, oh my gosh. So anyway, I came across these silicone inserts. Like, look at these. They go into my Ninja Foodi. They fit perfectly. They also go into the slow cooker, your air fryer, whatever. They're silicone. You can cook two things at once. Oh my gosh, what a perfect opportunity to go ahead and do some meal prepping, right? So, anyway, that's exactly what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do some meal prepping. So, super excited to share this with you. This is like the easiest recipe ever. Like both of them, and they're cooking at the same time. Wow. So, anyway, let's go get busy. Welcome in. Okay, so check these things out. First of all, they're collapsible. I mean, that is so cool. So I have them in here side by side. This is a 5-quart Ninja Foodi. So in this one, I'm going to take some pork shoulder, and I'm just going to add in a couple little chopped up pieces and some barbecue sauce. This is my favorite, Sweet Baby Ray's. Now I'm going to add in about a 1/4 cup of water and mix it all together. And because I'm meal prepping, of course, I can make, with this little divider thing, I can make two things at the same time. I use my food saver to freeze up my bulk chicken and, pretty much all my meat. When I find it on sale, I just use my food saver and store it in my freezer. So I'm using some chicken breast and some chicken thighs. And Herdes has a lot of water in it, but it's super flavorful. So I'm just going to add that to it all by itself. That's it. I used about a half of the jar. I wanted to show you these with these inserts. Like in my Ninja Foodi, I wasn't able to put my lid on, so I had to fold it down like a notch. But I mean, it fits in there perfectly. So I just squeezed in some water so I don't get a burn notice. And here we go. We can start cooking now. Watch, the lid goes on perfectly now. I mean, all I had to do was fold it down just one. So because they're collapsible. So I'm just going to go ahead and pressure cook these on high for 15 minutes. I'm going to do a slow release on them. And that's it. I mean, dinner for the whole entire week is done. Probably took about maybe 25 minutes total for the whole entire week. Oh my gosh, super excited about that. So just gonna go ahead and show you what my pork looks like, all chopped up. I mean, isn't that amazing? And here is our chicken. So, oh my gosh, I'm just like super excited right now. I mean, to do everything all at once is like, wow, like a time saver. So I found these little containers on Amazon as well. Everything is from Amazon, I feel like. And I got these rolls. They were like super cheap. I think 98 cents at Walmart. I made some coleslaw. And then, so yeah, now I have some pulled pork sandwiches. I mean, oh my gosh, so super easy. Loving it. I mean, I don't know. I can't even express how excited I am. So, and then, plus there's some left over too. So I just add a little more barbecue sauce just because I like it a little extra. And of course, I've got to get you a closer look. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yummy. See, that's with my leftover. Okay, now for the chicken one. So all I did was take a tortilla, just a small tortilla, and I just rolled it up. So I have that all packed away now too. And I'm going to grab some chicken here. And hey, I know I'm being tacky right now by using my fingers, but you know what? It's my food, so it doesn't matter to me. And so I just added some lettuce and some chopped up tomatoes, and I always have salsa in my fridge, so I'll just go ahead and use that on there as well. So there we go. We have some little burritos. I'm going to add a little more salsa because, again, I'm a little extra. So mix that up just real quick and that's it. So here's a closer look at that as well. Oh my goodness, yum-y. I love this. And now we can just go ahead and pack those up and store them in the refrigerator. Now, isn't that cool? Check it out. 4 meals right there. Totally done. Wanted to show you how easy these little silicone divider things are to clean. I mean, it doesn't take anything. Just a little bit of, you can throw it in the dishwasher, but do it by hand is just as easy. That's it. So super easy. Oh my gosh, you guys, can you believe how quickly and easily that was to prepare? I mean, and we have meals for the whole entire week. I think that's just amazing. So, love these inserts. I will have them listed for you in the description box below if you're interested. And because I think they're fab, like fantastic. So, anyway, hey, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and please give the video a thumbs up. I would certainly appreciate it. It would certainly warm my heart. And I will see you guys in the next one. So, anyway, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye now.